The available Remote Smart Parking Assist on your Genesis, or RSPA, can help drivers park their vehicle even in narrow parking spaces. This video will show you how to use RSPA from outside the vehicle. See Remote Smart Parking Assist 1 for information on how to use RSPA inside the vehicle. From outside the vehicle, you can use remote parking and remote moving forward back. Remote parking can be used for either parallel or perpendicular parking. For this mode to function, RSPA must be engaged and must detect vehicles on both sides of the parking space. See the Remote Smart Parking Assist Part 1 video for basic steps on how to initialize remote parking. Once a parking space is found, choose the parking type. Place the vehicle in park, exit and close all the doors. Be sure to take your smart keys with you. You'll hear a beeping noise to tell you that the vehicle is in remote parking mode. Stand in a safe location within 13 feet and press the forward or back button on the smart key to move the vehicle into the space. Steering, direction, and speed are controlled automatically. When done, you'll hear the Parking Complete chime. The transmission will be in park, the parking brake engaged, and ignition off. Make sure the vehicle is locked and sunroof is closed before leaving. Remote moving forward and backward allow you to stand outside the vehicle and move it into or out of a tight parking space. But you must be in a safe location within 13 feet of your vehicle. To move into a space, select a parking spot and shift into park. Engage RSPA. A message will appear on the touchscreen. Now exit the vehicle with the smart key and close all the doors. To use this function to move the vehicle in or out of a space, press Lock on your smart key. Press the remote start button. In both instances, you hold either the Move Forward or Backward button to have your vehicle enter or exit the space. The vehicle will travel up to 23 feet while holding the button. Pressing and holding it a second time will allow the vehicle to travel up to another 23 feet. Remote moving forward and backward will stop if it detects an object in the way. While RSPA is functioning, the vehicle will stop when you release the forward or backward button. The function will start operating again when the button is pressed and held again. To cancel remote moving forward and backward, press the remote start button on the smart key. The vehicle will go into park, engage the parking brake, and switch off. Or you can enter the vehicle with the smart key and depress the brake or close all the doors. Then the ignition will stay on. For more helpful information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel and mygenesis.com.